my channel, Inspired Birdie, and today we're going to do a Dollarama haul. So I recently did a Dollar Tree, then I made another visit to a completely different Dollarama, and they had some really cool items. So let's just jump right into it. I don't have too much, so we're just going to jump right into it with the items here. So the first one was just this gauze. You can see I recently hurt myself, so I thought it would be a good idea to have some extra gauze since I used it all, and it's only $1.25. So yeah, that's the first item. All right, I'm just going to jump into all of my holiday stuff. So this was a new find. Again, this is a completely different Dollarama, and they just had items that my Dollarama just didn't have. So this is in their Halloween section. I loved these multicolored, very cool. It's quite large, much larger than the size of a hand, as you can tell. So I thought that would be a lot of fun for Halloween. They also had it in black, and it was $2.50. Okay, grabbed some Christmas items, couldn't help myself. So the first are these. They were only $1.25, and I just love these. I feel like these are just a great staple to have. Even though it has the red, it doesn't matter what your holiday color is. I find that this is just a really great staple to have. So I picked up these two because I know that they're gonna go really fast. And then I also picked up this little sign. I'm a huge fan of wooden signs. So I grabbed this, and it was the last one. So it was the only one that they actually had, and it was $1.25. So I can't wait to see what Dollar Tree comes out with, but that's a really great deal. And then recently I hauled this, and I talked all about how much I loved it, and I grabbed the last one at my location, which was orange. And then I saw today that they actually also had it in white. So I love that. And this one's different. This one says graceful. The orange one says thankful. And it was $4. So I just really loved that. Last few items for Halloween. I picked up a rat. I don't know. My kid keeps asking for a rat. I don't like these. I don't like to decorate with these. But it was only $1.50, I think. Or $2. Let me see. Oh, $1.25. And it's pretty large, so picked up a rat. You can also see in the background here, this is just a Halloween trick-or-treat bag. It's, as you can tell, or maybe you can't, but it's the Paw Patrol, Sky, and Everest, which are my kids' favorite. So I just picked up this. And then the last piece for Halloween is this table runner. I needed a table runner, so this was absolutely perfect. And it's my colors. My Halloween colors are black and purple. So it was perfect. $3, quite large. I have it wrapped right now. It just has this really pretty design. Yeah. I have a white table, so I needed something to break away from the white, so I grabbed that. My kid also said that she wants to be a bunny. So we're not going out trick-or-treating this year, so I saw these and I just thought they were really cute. She can wear them around the house. Only $2. The headband, little bunny tail. So I grabbed that. And then my really big finds, because I always have a big find when I go to Dollarama. So the really big find of the week are these toys. And they are toys, so not decor items. But I'm going to start off with this ugly doll. So my kid loves ugly dolls. She already has all of the stuffed animals, but this is the ugly doll with the sound feature. I'm not going to play it, but it actually makes sound and it sings. So I thought that was really cool because this retails for almost $30. So the fact that Dollarama was selling this is absolutely amazing. If you guys watch my hauls, you know there's always crazy finds at my Dollarama. So I grabbed this. And then recently, if you watch my hauls, you would have seen I hauled these Paw Patrols. So these are the guys that are retailing for about $15. I think they're $14.99 at Walmart. And recently Dollarama had them for $4, and I did not pick up Chase or Marshall. So this time around, when I went back to my Dollarama, actually they were completely sold out. So this place did have them. They only had these two actually. So these were the two that I didn't grab my kid. So I grabbed these. I thought they'd make really nice Christmas gifts. So I'm going to put those away for Christmas. Really great sizes. Look how amazing that is. These are $15 at Walmart, and Walmart just stocked up on these. $4. So cool. And then the last item is this game. So this Dollarama that I went to, like I said, I hadn't been there before. They had so many amazing games. This is the Dollarama brand. It was $4, but this is a play off of the bouncing monkeys that you can buy for like, I don't know, it's like $20 or $30 through Amazon or Walmart. So I thought this would be a lot of fun. It is rated for 3 and up. And yeah, I don't have much more to say. I just thought it would be a lot of fun to try this game. It's not really a board game, but it's a game. And that's it, guys. So that was my totally random haul. Didn't plan to go here at all. I was just in the area doing something else. And look at the cool finds that you can, all of the unbudgeted stuff. I really need to start budgeting. But anyways, thanks so much for stopping by, guys. I hope you enjoyed this really quick Dollarama haul, and I hope that you are all doing well. Happy holidays, and stay tuned for more. Bye. We are free.